Hi there, and welcome to the Mobile School Playground. In this video, I will introduce to you the Media World panel. With the Media World panel, you can increase the media literacy and the media criticism of your target group. Both active and passive ways of different use of media are depicted on this panel. Now, what do you need to play this game? You will need the printed out Media World panel, and you will need a big magnetic board game of the Mobile School to attach the printed panel to. But now let us have a look at the game rules. This game can be played by as many children as you like. First of all, you will gather all the participants in front of the media panel and you will ask a couple of general questions about the use of different media. For example, have you ever recorded a video? Do you use social media? Are you often on the internet? And things like that, so that the children can become acquainted and become familiar with the content of the panel. Then you will see on the panel that there are different media bubbles, pictures that you see over here. And the children can select one of the media bubbles. And all those media bubbles are linked with a specific creative task. For example, over here, you'll see people around the table who are having a conference, and you can play a game which is called Silent Conference. In order to play this game, you will divide the group in two smaller groups. Group number one will organize a Skype call with group number two, but unfortunately, the microphone is broken. So the first group need to come up with a creative presentation on how to agree on a specific location and a specific time for a meeting. If they can communicate the specific location and the time to the other team, and the other team is able to guess the location and the time correctly, the game is finished and both teams won the game. So that is just an example of a creative game that you can play with one of the media bubbles. Let us have a look at another, for example. You see one over here, and there's a guy dancing and some youngsters who are beatboxing. What you can do over here is play the Mobile School Beatbox game. You can download, for example, the My Beatbox app on your smartphone, but if you don't have the application, you can also just come up with a beatbox song about, for example, the Mobile School together with the children. In the manual, you will find a lot of other creative games that are linked to the other media bubbles on the panel. Okay, I think you're all set and ready to go to take the Media World panel with you on the streets. Enjoy the street work, enjoy the game, and see you next time.